Richmond Bone and Joint Clinic disclaimer. The video you are viewing offers instruction and advice regarding the evaluation of injuries, first aid, rehabilitation, and use of durable medical equipment. While helpful, this video is not meant to replace the sound medical advice of a trained physician. Please seek treatment and evaluation for any injury or medical condition. Hello, on behalf of Richmond Bone and Joint Clinic, welcome to rbjc.com. On this segment, we'd like to discuss the difference between an acute injury and a chronic injury, and there is a big difference. An acute injury is one that happens almost immediately. You're stepping out of your car, you land wrong and turn your ankle, and it hurts and it swells and you just can't walk on it. That's a good example of an acute injury. A chronic injury is one that happens over time, such as tendonitis of the elbow. You got a golfer, they're getting a little bit of golfer elbow. It hurts them over the time. They can't give you a specific time. You know, pain in the shoulder, pain in the hips, pain in the knee, pain in the back. These are things that are cumulative type of injuries, either from the way you're sitting at work or things that you're doing. You carry heavy objects all the time. You're not properly using your legs, things like this. Those are injuries that are called chronic. Sometimes they're easy to address, sometimes they're not because they've taken their toll over the course of time. But an acute injury is one that we usually recommend in sports medicine. If it happens right then and there, that you address it immediately, either with ice or wrapping that particular injury, or seeking medical treatment, or just keeping it elevated to control the swelling. That's usually how you control an acute injury. Those are the ones you end up going to the doctor. Perhaps you walk into the ER and say, hey, I slipped, my ankle's killing me. They take an x-ray and they go from there. Acute injuries, of which we also deal with here at the clinic, are ones that accumulate over time. So think about the injuries that you have, those things that are nagging you. Decide if it's an acute or a chronic type of injury. We address both here at Richmond Bone and Joint Clinic, and we'll take good care of you. On behalf of the clinic, we'd like to welcome you, and always remember, rbjc.com.